Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I am going to share another biryani recipe which is chicken kofta biryani. Chicken kofta biryani made with meatballs and basmati rice. Let's see how we are going to make this. For this recipe, we need minced chicken 1 pound, onion 1, green chilli 4, you can just coarse grind and add it to the chicken. 2 tablespoons coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons breadcrumbs, half teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to your taste, turmeric powder half teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Mix it well with your hand. Let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can take out and you can make small lemon-sized balls. Heat oil in a pan and you can shallow fry all the koftas and fry until golden brown all over. Turn the sides and cook all over and try to cook it in batches so that it doesn't overcrowded. Once it's done, you can remove and transfer to a plate. For the masala, heat oil in a big kadai. Then you can add 2 big onions thinly sliced. You can add a little salt that will speed up the process. Once onion becomes translucent, you can add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute until the fresh smell leaves. Now you can add 2 tomatoes chopped and cook until the tomato becomes soft and mushy. Add 2 teaspoons Kashmiri chilli powder, or you can add red chilli powder which is mild. I am using the Kashmiri chilli powder. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of biryani masala, and you can add salt to your taste and mix until everything combined together and cook for another 2 minutes. The masala is cooked. You can add 1 cup of whisked yogurt and mix it well until everything combined and let it cook for like 5 minutes. At this point, you can adjust the seasoning. You can add salt according to your taste and the chili powder. Here I'm adding half teaspoon garam masala more, and you can always adjust your taste. Now I'm adding 4 green chilies and 2 tablespoons coriander leaves and 2 tablespoons of mint leaves, and mix it well. Let it cook for few minutes. Once the oil starts coming out, you can add the fried koftas in it and let it cook for another, cover and cook for like 5 minutes on medium low flame. For the rice, I am using a big pan, and when it's hot, I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, and then you can add all these fresh whole garam masala and fry for 1 minute. Now I am going to add 4 cups of washed and soaked basmati rice, which is soaked for like 15 to 20 minutes, and now you can fry for like 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add 7 cups of hot water, salt to your taste, and you can add a little lemon juice also at this point. Once it starts boiling, you can cover and cook for on medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open and give it a mix, and again cover and cook for another 5 more minutes on low flame, and you can turn off the heat after that. Once your rice is ready, you can layer them on top of the kofta which we made, and then finally you can garnish it with some coriander leaves, mint leaves, and fried onions on top. Now you can cover and cook for like 15 minutes on low flame, and once it's ready, let it rest for a few minutes, and then you can slowly mix the rice and koftas together. Transfer to a serving platter and enjoy with the raita. I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.